in your web browser, you go to classroom.google.com as the web address or URL. You hit enter, and automatically the system should open the classes you are associated to or with. So if you've already joined, you would see Microsoft Certified Educator. If you've not, you need to click on the plus sign. You select join class with the code given on the registration form. So you click on Microsoft Certified Educator. It opens up. Then we have stream, classwork, and what people. So you come to classwork. Then from classwork, you have all the materials listed there. So the objective is to equip you with the requisite IT skill sets that will help you teach your students remotely from your homes. Done is to give you the practical skills with the EdTech tutorial videos. So you click, you go to view material. Then those are the objectives. So you click on lesson 1, you go through it, you install the software. I'll later put up lesson 2 where I explain how to configure your PowerSoft screen recording software. Then you go through all the lessons, do all the practice exercises, and have them posted to the classroom. So once you finish with the EdTech tutorial video, you go back to your classwork. Then you come to 21st Century Learning Design through to the last course, which is course 8. So after going through all of these, you'll make sure you do the quiz associated to it. So it is as simple as that. And anytime I give you an assignment, you would see it under stream. So you come to view all, or you go to classwork. So when you go to classwork, you'll see something here, EdTech, put it to work. And this MC exam software. So after the program, and you would want to take the Microsoft Certified exam and get a certificate from Microsoft, you install these two softwares, Compass and AnyDesk. I'll use AnyDesk to connect remotely and make your machine a testing machine for your exam. Then when the time is due, I'll connect remotely to supervise the exams